welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to clean. I love to clean, declutter, and organize. If you're new to my channel, I hope you hit that subscribe button down below because I've got lots of motivation on my channel to help you get all your to-do list done.
Believe your name spells home since the day you were born. You have always known when I need you the most. Oh, 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 oh. My best friend got sent.
Today, we're just going to do some whole house cleaning. I've got a lot of areas in my home that need to be dusted, vacuumed, steam mopped. I have groceries that need to be put away. So, I thought I'd bring you guys along and we would do it all together.
I see you, you see me. Same mother, different dads, but we're just as happy. Remember when you were 5, every day by my side.
First of all, I've got to put the groceries away. We were able to go to the grocery store last night. We all went as a family, but my boys stayed in the car with my husband. I was the only one that went in because of all the health risks, but we all rode along together and it was nice to just get out, even if it was just a ride in the car. But we had to go 2 towns over to a different grocery store to even be able to get the things that we needed.
You know you are the one that picks me up, the one that fills my cup. You know you are, and we are inseparable. We are so unbreakable. My best friend got sent my own good fortune. You know you are my double flame whisper, my soulmate sister. You know you are, oh, every time life.
I am cleaning up our living room while I was cleaning the kitchen. The boys were in the living room watching TV and having a snack, so it's a mess. I've got to vacuum, I've got to put all the cushions back right, and then I'm gonna dust.
You know you are.
Thing to use to dust is Pledge. I have tried all kinds of other cleaners to dust and clean surfaces with, wood surfaces with, and it may get it clean, but it really does not keep the dust off as long as Pledge. So I am going over all of my surfaces in my house with Pledge.
To give away my power on the balcony, and it's getting cold.
Away some supplies. I was able to get a box of diapers. Every grocery store I went to last night, I went to 2 different ones, were out of wipes. They were out of toilet paper, except for the second one had single rolls, and they had maybe 15, and it was 2 per customer, so I got 2 of those.
Feels like
over as well. This serves as our laundry room, the half bath downstairs, and sort of our mud room. The white cabinet is where we keep shoes. Behind the door we keep jackets, and it's right off of our door we come in and out of all the time. So leaves and grass and dirt get carried into the laundry room so much the floor gets very dirty. So I'm going to give it a once over. Moving downstairs to the boys' playroom, our family room, play area. This whole area down here is theirs. I mean, they're in control down here. It stays a mess. They do have too many toys. Excuse me. No, I'm not getting sick. I had allergies.
Not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. I want it falls to wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked one. You wicked drowning water. I wanna be less than I can be. I want it falls to wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked one. The wicked drowning water.
Okay, guys, my house is clean. I'm so glad. Today is Thursday and I'm happy to have a clean house. I'll just pick up and straighten up tomorrow and then hopefully have a nice clean house to start the weekend off. I hope you all are doing great. I hope that you are with the ones you love, and if not, that you're able to get in contact with them and talk to them a lot. I will have a video coming out on tips to get you through this time from a stay-at-home mom, because this is not that different than how I live my life every day. I don't go out every day. I don't go out a lot with 2 toddlers. So I'm just gonna share some tips with you guys on how I get through the days and I'm productive at home and I actually enjoy my time at home with my family. So stay tuned for that video coming out soon. I hope you guys have an awesome day, an awesome weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you next time. Bye.
You in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other